Coffee. It may be the world's most bewitching beverage. Complex and aromatic, it represents a global industry of staggering proportions. Amazingly, all of the work and research that goes into perfecting the process, from the field to the brewer, is dedicated to a drink that's more than 98% water. Roasting, when tasteless green seeds transform into intensely aromatic beans, is integral to determining what ends up in your cup. But while you can learn about roasting styles and learn about growing regions, you can't really control what's happened to the beans before you buy them. What you can control is extraction. A coffee bean is mostly made up of insoluble wood. Only about 30% of the bean can be dissolved in water. Brewing a good cup depends mostly on how much of these soluble materials you extract from the grounds. Together, the compacts you extract contribute to the coffee's sweetness, its mouthfeel, aroma, flavour and aftertaste. About 15% of a coffee bean is pretty easy to extract, ending up in almost every cup you brew. But unfortunately, this alone isn't the part that tastes the best. Under-extracted coffee is unbalanced, sour, astringent and a little dry, so we need to coax more out of that soluble material to get a tastier cup. On the other hand, if coffee is over-extracted, it tastes bitter and burnt, has a terrible aftertaste. Our goal is about 20% extraction, a sweet spot of balanced flavour and gives us a nice clean finish. Achieving this often requires attention to details such as the size of the grounds and the speed at which you brew. Depending on your preference, you may opt for an extraction that's a bit less than 20%, or a bit more. Every coffee lover has their own version of that ideal cup, and creating yours will require education and experimentation. The good news is, customizing your homebrewed coffee is a fascinating process, guaranteed to develop your tasting prowess as you hone in on that perfect cup. This is the drink that coaxes you awake each and every morning after all. Don't you want to get it just right?
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.